Hey, I'm Loic, the smart teacher, and this is how an external gear pump works. Let's take a look inside. The electric motor powers the pump by rotating the shaft. The coupling connects the motor shaft to the pump shaft and transmits rotation. The back cover supports the shaft and seals the rear of the pump. The screws fasten the back cover and hold the mounting plate in place. The bearings support the shaft and reduce friction during rotation. The pump shaft transfers torque from the motor to the driving gear. The gears rotate and move fluid from the inlet to the outlet. The housing holds the gears and defines the internal fluid path. The hydraulic fittings connect the pump to the fluid lines. The front cover encloses the gears and seals the pump from the front. The nuts secure the front cover tightly to the housing. That's it for the main components. Let's reassemble and look at the flow mechanics. Here's a sectional view of the pump in action. Fluid enters through the inlet port at low pressure. As the gears rotate, they trap the fluid and carry it along the housing wall. The fluid does not pass between the gears, but flows around the outside. At the outlet, the gear teeth mesh again, forcing the fluid out at high pressure. This creates a steady pulsation-free flow, ideal for hydraulic systems. That's it for this brief and simple overview of how an external gear pump works. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more engineering content. Merci et au revoir.